In Manesar, total station surveyors are essential to a number of development projects. They have the most up-to-date equipment, including total station devices used to measure and map various features of the land. These surveyors are in charge of taking precise measures, gathering information, and compiling comprehensive reports that are crucial for the organization and execution of building projects. Total station surveyors ensure that the project is completed effectively and in accordance with the requirements, thanks to their experience and knowledge. A reputable business in Manesar that specializes in offering total station surveying services is called SCON Design. They have a group of knowledgeable surveyors that are trained to use the most recent tools and methods. These surveyors can deliver precise and trustworthy results because they are aware with the regional laws and specifications. SCON Design works hard to provide its clients with top-notch surveying services because they recognize the value of accurate measurements in construction projects. Manesar total station surveyors employ cutting-edge technology to guarantee the precision of their measurements. Total stations enable surveyors to measure angles and distances with extreme precision by combining the capabilities of an electronic theodolite and an electronic distance meter. By doing away with manual computations, this technology also lessens the possibility of human error. Total stations allow surveyors to gather data quickly and produce precise maps and plans, which are essential for construction projects. In Manesar, SCON Design provides a variety of total station surveying services. Their surveying staff has experience performing topographic, boundary, as-built, and construction layout surveys. Following that, these measurements are utilized to produce thorough maps, plans, and reports that give architects, engineers, and contractors useful data. In many building projects in Manesar, total station surveyors are indispensable. They have the newest equipment, such as total station instruments, which are used to measure and map various features of the ground. In order to plan and carry out construction projects, surveyors are required to take precise measurements, gather data, and produce comprehensive reports. Total station surveyors make sure the project is completed successfully and in accordance with the requirements, thanks to their experience and knowledge in the field. A well-known business in Manesar called SCON Design specializes in offering total station surveying services. They have a group of knowledgeable and skilled surveyors that have received training in the newest tools and methods. Because these surveyors are acquainted with the regional laws and specifications, they are able to deliver precise and trustworthy reports. SCON Design recognizes the value of accurate measurements in construction projects and works to provide its clients with top-notch surveying services. Modern equipment is used by total station surveyors in Manesar to guarantee the precision of their measurements. Surveyors can measure angles and distances with extreme